This question belongs to compiler design subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 SET-3. So the question states, one of the purposes of using intermediate code in compilers is to make, so let us first see what is intermediate code. First, let's see compilation process. So it includes lexical analysis step, then we have syntax analysis step, then we have semantic analysis, then we have intermediate code generation, we have code optimization, and then we have target code generation. So here we are giving high level languages input and we are getting machine level languages output. Okay. So now let us see the options. Making parsing and semantic analysis simple. Syntax analysis, or you can say parsing. See, the parsing and semantic analysis is before intermediate code generation. So intermediate code has nothing to do with, if it was related then it should have been done before these steps. So this is false. Improve error recovery and error reporting, this is also false. Improve register allocation, this is also false. See this option. Because see, after intermediate code, what we are doing? We are doing code optimization. So for code optimization, we will need the code optimizers. Now, if we have eliminated this intermediate code generation, then we have different codes for different languages. Then we will need different optimizers. But by using intermediate code generation, we are basically generalizing the codes, and we can reuse the optimizer. So increase the chances of reusing the machine independent code optimizer. So code optimizer can be generically written and can be used for any language in other compilers. So option C is true. And what are the forms of intermediate codes? It can be directed acyclic graph, or it can be triplet representation, it can be quadruple representation, it can be 3-address code. There are many forms, 3-address code, and there can be postfix notation, and so on. So basically these are generalized notations, and we can use, and if we have written a code optimizer, we can write it generically optimizer, and we can use it on any language. If there is L1, L2, L3, we need different code optimizers for all. But if we have converted them to the same form, suppose 3-address code, then they are in generalized form and we can use the same code optimizer. So answer is option C.